Prepositions. As you know, nouns name things, living things, places, and ideas. That is enough to use nouns as subjects. But, in addition to subjects and verbs, which are required elements of any sentence, other nouns can also be used there. Sometimes, these nouns are also used without any difficulty. But, sometimes, nouns do not agree with other words. That is where prepositions help. The name preposition means that these words are placed in preposition. Take a position before. Prepositions cannot exist by themselves. They are always placed before nouns, or object pronouns, or noun phrases. For example,
at work, to him, at 5 o'clock.
So, prepositions stand before nouns. Clarified their meanings. And agree them with other words. These other words may be verbs, nouns, or adjectives. So, prepositions help us to use nouns, and thus, make sentences complete. Prepositions can work in different ways. Variant number 1. Prepositions are followed by the object of the verb. As you know, the subject does the action, and the object receives the action. But sometimes we need prepositions to show the relations between verbs and their objects. In this case, prepositions help to introduce the object. And prepositions indicate the direct relation of the action to its object. Example:
Maria loves Mark. Monkeys eat bananas. I listen to music. I am waiting for her.
In other cases, prepositions, together with following nouns, act as adverbs or adjectives to describe another part of the sentence. Example:
My sister studies at school. The grass grows in summer. Her knowledge of math helps us. He has trouble with the police.
Some words can be used both as prepositions and as adverbs. The main difference between them is that prepositions are always used together with nouns and adverbs singly. Kinds of prepositions. Depending on the usage in the sentence, prepositions are divided into three kinds. Prepositions of place. Prepositions of place, together with following nouns, are used to show where something happens.
On the table. Near the table. Under the table.
Prepositions of time. Prepositions of time, together with following nouns, are used to show when something happens.
At 7 o'clock. In November. During lunch.
Prepositions of agents or things. Prepositions of agents or things indicate a causal relationship between the following nouns and other parts of the sentence.
We are talking about animals. We travel by car. The house of Maria. The place for a picnic. I cut vegetables with a knife.
Remember that some prepositions can be of different kinds. If necessary, insert prepositions.
Children like summer. Adults work in summer. Mark has a car. Mark is near the car. Anne is good at football. She is playing football now.
Preposition or adverb. Prepositions are always used together with nouns. Adverbs are used singly.
Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.